So I'm here on the HB Turnkey stand at AMB. I'm with Michael Blessing. Now, this company is the distributor for the Mylas product in Germany. Now, we're going to talk about two machines in this brief feature. Michael, this particular machine here, there's a lot going on in this machine, isn't there? Can you explain how capable it is?
Yes. The advantage of this machine is you can work on main and sub spindle, and you don't have to wait with the sub spindle or with the main spindle about working. So you can maybe, for example, the half of the cycle time you can produce with these machines. And you see here there is a main spindle side for the working, and now you can see the sub spindle side.
Yeah, I mean that second spindle, that's an X2, so that's an axis that's moving in and out. So I guess that means it's kind of collision free. It means you've got a completely separate working space for the second spindle.
Yes, right. Often at lathe machine, you have to wait for the sub spindle or for the main spindle about the working. And in this solution, you can do both things at the same time. So you'll be really faster against another machine working in a nearly system.
But this is a fixed head machine though, this isn't a sliding head,
yes,
is it?
Yes, right.
Yeah. And have you got a Y-axis? I know you've got one on the back turret, but how does it work around, on the main turret, but how does it work here on the second spindle? Is there one?
There is only one. You can do it with the turret in this Y system. You can
I get you, so the Y-axis on the turret would go up and down.
Yes, you can go up and down and go with the turret to the right position, and you can do it about the programming, nearly like a Y2 axis.
Okay, this is the actual DT52.
Yes, right.
Is there different sizes of this machine? There are different models?
Yes, there are different models about this machine, and Mylas have the advantage. You can change a little bit. If you ask Mylas to say, we need a little bit like this or this, they can modify for your brand that you need, how you need it. Yes.
Okay, now if you thought this one was good, you wait till what you see next. Come this way. So that was the D series. Now this is the MTY51E.
Yes.
Now, there's even more going on in this machine.
Yes, right.
Explain.
Yes, right. This is the MTY machine, and with this machine you have nearly like a 3-turret machine. The only thing what you not have here is the third Y-axis, but the rest is nearly like a 3-turret machine. And the big advantage at this machine is you can go with the sub spindle to the down position and can work not connected to the main side, and so you can work much more faster, can do more things. You can do more details.
Again, it's got its own working environment, hasn't it? Out the way of the top spindle, I guess.
Yes, and in the normal 2-turret machine, you have the bigger problem that you can not work between the turret with a long unit, a long drilling, a long
whereas now you just drop down the second spindle and you can still perform all of those machining options.
You can go down and take a really long drilling and make deep hole drilling systems or whatever. And this is not possible with a normal turret machine. And with a normal 2-turret machine, you have always have a look, is there no damages about the tool is not in the right position. Yeah. You have to do a look what is the sub spindle doing. And with this machine, you can go down and can work whatever you want.
You can kind of rethink the way you make the part, I guess, can't you? You're not going to concern yourself about making sure there's enough space, there's enough area to machine. Right. I like the way you've got a tailstock above it as well, so that can then be used to support maybe a longer part coming out of the main spindle.
You can see in this position you have the 3-turret machine. You have 3 tools in working, but it's not normal at this machine. And about the bar, you can take a really long bar and have not a problem that the main spindle is in the sub spindle is in the collision or something.
And you got Y-axis on top and bottom as well.
Yes,
haven't you?
both.
Yeah.
Both Y, and you can make a drilling outside of the middle. You can make a turning in the right position. You can go down or if you have not a completely middle, or you have a really special material would we give problems. You have to go a little bit in the height.
Yeah.
There is the turning better, the surface would be better.
Yeah.
This can you do with this machine.
Yeah. What I like about this is it's not just the 51. You've got a bigger machine as well, and you go up to the 65 as well, I believe. Yeah.
Yes.
When you talk about some of these features, you're using the FANUC 31i series control here, which is obviously a really powerful control.
Yes, right.
I wouldn't expect to program it on the machine, though. I'm guessing you have some kind of support package that you guys.
It's much more easy to programming. There is a kind of manual who help you through the program to show you. You have to do this. You need this. You need this. And so the guy on the machine get always a help that you can program in easy way. This is for the future. A lot of people working on the machine, they don't need know really exact what is the sentence and so on. And this machine show you, okay, you have to do this and this. And so if they help you through the working that you make a really good solution.
And final point, we're here at the AMB, HB Turnkey. You're the supplier of the MyLast product in Germany and potentially Austria, you said as well. How good is it to be able to sell these machines? What does it add for your company?
This is a really, how can I say, a really big thing for us to have MyLast here, to can explain it to the customer about HB Turnkey, make together with MyLast the solution for the customer. We have a standard machine and we can make the solution a little bit a piece of a special thing that give the customer more money about this is the only one, make it in this way, and MyLast help us to do it for the customer. So they get a customizing unit, but have a standard machine.
Yeah.
So
I think from seeing the two models that we've just picked out, MyLast are obviously trying to make a dent in the market when it comes to supplying sophisticated machines for potentially complex parts, really flexible and versatile.
Yes, right.
Great to see coming to shows like this and seeing things like superimposed turning and all of the tail stock in action and the second spindle. Really impressive. So good luck with this product going forward, and thanks for having us on your stand, Michael.
Thank you, for being here, and we see us at the show.